Welcome to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a new type of equation, that is Bernoulli's equation. This is nothing but an equation reducible to linear form. So, see the general form of Bernoulli's equation. Now the equation dy dx plus py equal to qy to the power n, where p and q are functions of x alone or constant. So, this type of equation is known as Bernoulli's equation. Now, next, we are going to solve such type of differential equation. So, what is the technique to solve this equation? For this, we coming to a problem. Or 2x square dy dx minus xy equal to y square. So we can see that comparing this equation, suppose this is equation 1, so comparing this equation with this form dy dx plus py equal to qy to the power n, we can see here p is minus x and q is 1, and here y to the power n y square, so n is 2. Now the technique is, at first we divide this equation by y square. So dividing 1 by y square, we get, so you have to divide both side of 1 by y square, we get 2x square by y square dy dx minus xy x by y equal to 1. Then we put minus 1 by y as z. So assume that z is minus 1 by y. Then differentiating this with respect to x, we get dz dx equal to minus 1 by y square, so plus 1 by y square dy dx. Now 1 by y square dy dx equal to dz dx. So we put this value in this equation number 2. So from 2 we can write 1 by y square dy dx is dz dx, so 2x square dz dx, then minus 1 by y is z, so plus xz equal to 1, or dz dx plus z by 2x equal to 1 by 2x square. Now notice that this equation, suppose this is 3, now equation 3 becomes a linear equation of first order in z. So this is a linear equation in z, and we already discussed how to solve a linear equation of first order. That is, at first we have to find out the integrating factor, and here the integrating factor is e to the power integration p dx. So linear equation, the general form of linear equation is dy dx plus py equal to q. We know where pq are functions of x alone or constant, already discussed, and here integrating factor will be e to the power integration p dx. So p is 1 by 2x dx, that is e to the power half log x, and this is root over x, right? Okay, next the general solution is So here dependent variable is z. Therefore, z into integrating factor root over x equal to integration right side the function q, that is 1 by 2 x square into integrating factor dx plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant. We have to write c is an arbitrary constant. Then we integrate this, so z root over x equal to integration half 1 by x, then 2 minus half, therefore 3 by 2 dx plus c. So integrating we get x to the power minus half plus c, that is z root x equal to half root x plus c. Okay, also minus half, so minus half, that is 2 to cancel out, just minus 1 by root x, this. Next, so we can divide this by root x, so z equal to minus 1 by x plus c by root x. Now put the value of z. Z is minus 1 by y. So this is the general solution. This is the required GS or general solution. So in the next video we discuss more interesting topics. Keep watching. Thank you.